Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold from a technical and fundamental perspective. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. So let's begin with the video. We are currently on a 1 hourly chart for the market. And here we have seen or we have drawn this particular ascending channel and the market had done and break downwards, or we have seen that the market has broken downwards through this ascending channel, which indicates or which initially indicates the bearish momentum. However, we are again bullish for the market for the gold, and there is a strong fundamental reason why we are bullish for the market. So first, coming on to the fundamentals, then we will discuss our technical analysis where we should trigger our position with our take profit and stop loss. So do watch the video till the end. So first, coming on to the fundamentals, Joe Biden has announced or will announce a detail of his new plans for extra stimulus to support the country through the pandemic. Biden has promised a sticker price in the trillions of dollars, a numbers that has supported equities and other risk assets for the last week. Thus, today we are expecting an announcement or a speech by the speech by Federal Chair Powell, due to which we can expect that they would be giving up a clue for further stimulus packages or how Biden will support the economy. Thus, according to me, that would be a great or a critical area or any significant clue dropped by the Powell, the Fed chairman Powell, would rush the market upwards. And we have seen since a week, we haven't seen any catalyst that has been moving the market for the gold, due to which we can see a sideways momentum into the market. Thus, that can act as a catalyst for the market to rush upwards. Furthermore, we are expecting job loss claims, and we have seen that the German GDP has shrunk by 5%. Furthermore, Chinese trade surplus records. Furthermore, coming on to the stock market, how will that impact the gold is that we have seen that the stock market would open a bit higher, however, would remain in a range bound territory as there aren't any fundamentals for them. So, the risk of momentum, risk of mood would also trigger into the market as no fundamental is moving the market. However, we can see that the people would be investing in their gold due to the decrease or the depreciation in the dollar due to the new stimulus package that would be announced by Biden very near. Thus, according to me, building a short position in the market for the gold is a very disadvantage in the long run, and the people will face stop losses, will hit their stop losses or of short or would blow their accounts. However, according to me, the great area to add up long would be some around this particular support zone, as we can see that this area has acted as a strong support zone, and the market has been continuously retesting this particular support zone of a range of 1833 till some around 1829. However, we haven't seen a single, even on a 1 hourly chart, are close below this particular support zone. So according to me, adding up long position would be an wise step towards building the account or building up the wealth. Thus, traders who are more into shorting gold in the current situations, so keep in mind, do keep the stop losses very small or very near, as the market in any time, either by a tweet by the upcoming president of United States, could boost or could boost the bullish momentum into the market, and we can see in a blink of an eye, we can see a movement or a big bullish candle targeting some around 1903, and many of the accounts for short who have short the gold would be wiped out. So do keep in mind that currently shorting the gold isn't in wise advice. Now coming on to the bullish, where we should trigger our long position. So according to me, building a long position some around this particular support zone of some around 1832 would be a great opportunity. And either you are an intraday trader or a swing trader, we can go for a long position some around 1832, where which I would be waiting. And furthermore, our stop losses for that particular long position would be placed some around 1808 if you are taking the long position and in long term. However, if you are a intraday trader, so we can place our stop losses some around 1832. So first I am telling you about the bullish position for the intraday traders. So our stop losses would be placed some around 1882, 1822, with our entry to go point of some around 1834, with our take profit of this particular resistance zone, which is some around 1854. Now coming on to the swing traders, again we would be opting for long. However, our stop losses would be stretched a bit. So our stop losses would be for the long would be placed some around 1808, with our first take profit would be some around 1856, and our second take profit would be some around 1902, and our final or our third take profit would be some around 1959. So our first take profit will give an extra reward of approx 1:1. So our second take profit will give an extra reward of approx 1:3.25, and our final take profit or our third take profit would be placed some around 1960. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.5. Do keep in mind, do not short or sell gold currently, as in any second we can see that the Joe Biden could announce stimulus packages or just giving a hint of stimulus packages that could boost the market upwards. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.